Hello students, this is Mrs. Aksha Shirolkar from St. Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College of Commerce and Science. So today we'll continue with the same chapter, that is Instruction Set of 8085 from Computer Science paper 2. And in the last video we had completed with the branching instruction. So that is the branching group, which was the fourth group. Now we'll be continuing with the same chapter but with the fifth group, that is machine control group. So these instructions are from the new group, that is the fifth group, last group of this particular chapter. So the number one instruction in this particular group is push instruction. Push the register pair, you can say, or you can also say push the accumulator and the flag register. BD from the instruction which you can see here is push B/D/H, which is nothing but the register pair. B means BC pair, or slash means or DE pair, or HL pair, or PSW, which stands for flag register. PSW is nothing but program status word, which is the flag register itself. So what happens here, we keep on decrementing the stack pointer, then the contents of the register B are moved to the memory location which are pointed by the SP. Then we again decrement the stack pointer and then copy the content of the register C to the memory location which is pointed by SP. First we decrement stack pointer, then the B register content is moved to the stack pointer, then again we decrement stack pointer, and then the content of C register moved to the memory location of stack pointer. So see here in the below diagram which you can see, the content which I have assumed for B is 12 and C is F3. Okay, and initially the stack pointer I have considered from the stack, that is a stack. So this is nothing but a stack which I have assumed. So 4 times F, which is nothing but the stack pointer content which I have assumed. So what happens, I'll decrement the stack pointer by 1, so the content becomes triple FE. Okay, 1 decrement by 1, so it becomes FE now, so which I have shown here. Okay, so which will take the B register content, that is 12. So hence I have moved 12 into that particular stack which is triple FE. Then again you will decrement the stack pointer by 1, which is triple FD. Okay, and which will take the C register content which is F3. So I have written F3 in that particular memory location which is triple FD. Okay, C, triple FC and triple FB, if you do not want to mention, you do not mention, because that is optional. We only require 4 times F, 3 FE. Then this is all memory location which I have assumed is optional. You can take any other memory location that you want. Suppose if you take 2004 for stack pointer, then you will move the B register content to 2003 and C register content to 2002. That way it is. You will keep on decrementing by 1, and first you will move the B register content, then one more time you will decrement the stack pointer memory location, and you will take the C register into that memory location. And one more thing, you not necessary that you have to take register pair BC only. You can take any register pair which can be DE. So instead of writing BC, you can take DE and or HL. Okay, so BC, DE, HL, these are the 3 register pair which you can assume. And the stack pointer memory location also you can assume anything. While taking the register pair, you need to take it into 2 combination, that is 8 into 8 bit. That way you have to show, because you have to move the register pair content separately. That is, if it is BC, you will first move B register content and then C register content. Okay, so this is very simple. That was the push operation. You need to write all this content along with the example which I have shown. Now the next instruction here I have shown is push PSW, which is the same. So but in the textbook you will be finding it 2 different instruction. So hence you can write the same thing. See, I'll directly show you the this example. The content you can write the same. Okay, so see here, the same thing I have written. Push PSW instruction is similar to push RP instruction, except that it shows PSW content instead of the general purpose register pair. Okay, so the flag register content will be taken instead of the register pair content. Okay, then the stack pointer is decremented by 1 and the content of the accumulator copied. Then the stack pointer is decremented by 1 again and the content of the stack pointer of the flag register are copied to the whatever location that you have assumed. Okay, see here the location I have assumed. The example, from the example can you make out the register A content I have taken as 12. Flag register also is an 8-bit register, so I have taken 80 as the content of flag. Then the stack location I have assumed 4 times F, and then you will decrement by 1 and then first you will move the accumulator content to FFE, and then one more time you will decrement and move the flag register. So in the previous instruction that was push register pair, you used to push the register pair content, but here what you will do, you will decrement the stack pointer, you will take the accumulator content, and then one more time you will decrement the stack pointer and you will take the flag register content. Same way it is. You can take any memory location for stack pointer as well as for the register A and flag. You can assume any content that is 8-bit. So the next instruction is pop. Pop is